In today's connected factories, safety can't be an afterthought. That's where CIP Safety comes in, keeping people protected while keeping production moving. Let's take a closer look at what it is, how it works, and why it matters. CIP stands for Common Industrial Protocol, the open communication standard behind Ethernet IP, DeviceNet, and other industrial networks. CIP Safety is an extension of that same protocol, bringing functional safety into the same network. That means, instead of running one bus for control and another for safety, both operate together, giving you less wiring, simpler design, and greater flexibility. One of the biggest advantages of CIP Safety over traditional safety interlocks is how it simplifies wiring. Instead of multiple long wire runs that need to be installed, tested, and regularly checked for latent failures, CIP Safety handles everything through a single off-the-shelf Ethernet cable. It's faster to install, easier to maintain, and more reliable over time. Here's how CIP Safety keeps your system protected. Every message includes extra error detection codes. Each device has a unique safety network number to prevent communication mix-up. And the system constantly checks timing. If a message is late, missing, or corrupted, everything automatically moves to a safe state. CIP Safety is certified to IEC 61508 up to SIL 3 and ISO 13849 up to PLE Category 4, the highest international standards for functional and machine safety. You'll find CIP Safety everywhere, in robotics, automotive plants, packaging lines, or any place where people and machines work side by side. And the benefits speak for themselves. One network for both safety and control. Interoperability across different vendors. Scalable from a single machine to an entire plant. If you're ready to upgrade your safety solution, check out the IDEM UGB-NET Gate Boxes, designed for machine guard doors and built for reliability. They feature a double tamper-resistant interlock, CIP Safety communication for smooth integration, RFID-coded locking, and up to 3,000 newtons of holding force. These gate boxes from IDEM combine smart design with serious safety performance. To learn more about CIP Safety and the new IDEM UGB-NET Gate Boxes, visit us today at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to learn more about our safety products. Click here for more videos.